That has been another subplot to all of the squads we have seen so far. Okay, a lot of players have skipped out for personal reasons. पर उसके बाद IPL चले गए. I think that is always going to be a problem when you're sharing a window with the IPL.
Uh,
David Warner as captain, of course, that will be an inspirational leader as well. So I think they've done really well and should be strong contenders, yeah, to be
yeah,
quite honest.
yeah, and just like the man loves playing in Pakistan. So I hope.
That's true. You can just see कि जल्मी on paper इनसे फील्डिंग तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होनी. इसकी कोई फील्डर नहीं है इस टीम में, कोई भी नहीं है यार.
नहीं सही सही.
Terrible. Good evening, cricket fans, and welcome to the PSL New Era special on Over and Out, brought to you by Dawn News. Ahmed Khwaja, and of course, Mustafa Siddiqui alongside me. Mustafa, looking forward to the new era of the PSL. थोड़े से झटके already लग चुके हैं. Of course, it will be played behind closed doors, and we were having 7 venues. Now it has been reduced to 2. Lahore and Karachi will be hosting 22 matches each because of the austerity measures put in by the Pakistan government. उसके बारे में पहले सबसे पहले बात करते हैं. That is a major disappointment.
It's just we've seen what a PSL looks like without fans, and because we saw it in 2020, and like it's just cricket sport in itself without fans, without fan engagement, without that noise. It doesn't feel like anything, right? Because if you because I know you watch the basketball, right? Watching the NBA bubble, right? In 2020 was like it was so such a it messed with your head, and it's just like sad, especially because of this nation that was robbed of live cricket for so long, right, till about 2015, that you finally have your own league. You've somewhat secured it for the future. This is supposed to be this new era where you're supposed to start out, and it was supposed to be a big bang, where it's supposed to be the biggest PSL ever, and then like because of geopolitical reasons, you can't have you were supposed to have 7 cities, the most ever, and now you're stuck with 2. And just, man, noise is needed. Like people like Amir in Karachi, like when Amir used to play for Karachi, everyone in like the NSK just going Amir, Amir, Amir. You miss stuff like that.
Absolutely, crowd engagement is key, and that has been a major reason for Lahore Qalandar's success over the last 2 seasons. Playing, the knockout matches at home at the Gaddafi has made a massive difference. So it is what it is. The West Asia crisis is going on. Thankfully, hopefully, we're getting some positive news trickling in. और मोहसिन नकवी ने भी कहा था for the time being हम ये सब करने वाले हैं. So fingers crossed कि by the duration, maybe a couple of weeks into the PSL थोड़े से उनके भी बाजू खुलेंगे और क्राउड को भी अलाउ किया जाएगा. Fingers crossed, but it looks unlikely. Let's talk about, of course, the brand new teams that we have. Let's start with the defending champions. तो उनके squad पे जरा नजर रखते हैं. Lahore Qalandars, of course, they've gone and retained most of their players in the auction. They brought Haris Rauf back. They brought Fakhar Zaman back. Abdullah Shafiq was retained. Sikandar Raza was retained. Shahin Shah Afridi was retained. Mohammad Naeem was retained. They have picked up Mustafizur Rahman in the auction. That's a good signing. Got a very Bengali flavor to the Lahore Qalandars this season. You've got Pervez Hussain Imon, the left-handed wicketkeeper batter. He already has a T20 100 to his name, but their availabilities are a bit, subject to change. They've got the Ruben Hermanhard striking South African wicketkeeper. Daniel Sams has come in to replace Dasun Shanaka, who defected to the Rajasthan Royals in the IPL. That has been another subplot to all of the squads we have seen so far. Okay, a lot of players have skipped out for personal reasons. पर उसके बाद IPL चले गए. I think that is always going to be a problem when you're sharing a window with the IPL.
Yeah, like the IPL window, we can't really do anything about it because the last 2 years there's been an ICC tournament in February time in March, which is the PSL window, and like we've been forced to move the PSL into this window. Hopefully, from next year it resets and we're back to normal. This team is very scary because like Lahore's like strength has always been, in my opinion, throughout for the last couple of years, is their like their great bowling captain and their very good pace attack, right? And which has gotten stronger because you have added Fizz. Like you have Rauf, Fizz, and Shaheen. Like that is a very deadly combination together. And then you also like aside from that, you also have Ubaid Shah on the bench as well.
Mm.
Uh, Like you,
And they picked up Shahab Khan, who
yeah.
did really well in the National T20 Cup. Very impressive left arm seamer. तो थोड़ी सी flexibility उधर है. Osama Mir picked up as the frontline leggy is a very interesting option as well.
This is the only thing, but I'm just like, I'm not a fan of Osama Mir.
He's had a lot of success in PSL, you have to say.
No, yeah, he'll get success, right? But like, I don't think he's like the class of like other spin bowlers in the tournament.
Yeah.
But like he'll get the mileage out of here, and like you have such a strong bowling lineup that you should be fine. The only problem I could see is maybe like it depends on how well Abdullah Shafiq opens the like is with the
Or
bat.
one down,
Yeah,
likely.
yeah, one down or whatever. Like if he's
Middle
opening
order
or
में थोड़ा सा gap आ रहा है. They have Hasibullah,
yeah.
they have Tayyib Tahir. Of course, Hussain Talat got injured on that tour of Bangladesh. He's probably been ruled out of the IPL. That is a massive loss. ठीक है, वो इतना कोई outstanding player नहीं है, but a left-hander in the middle of the order that does upset their plans a little bit. Asif Ali है as a finisher, but if you have Shaheen Shah Afridi batting at 8, I think that is going to be a bit of a problem कि tail थोड़ी लंबी हो जाएगी.
They lambi hai, magar like as we were seeing through the World Cup, like we came to the conclusion instead of always trying to make your strength weaker to protect your batting, it is sometimes like just go as a bowling team and try to get people out for 150, like 160s, 170s, 180s, and hope that your batting is enough, right? But like I just don't think it makes no sense lessening your strength, your bowling for for this essentially. For maybe an extra 20, 10, 15 runs, right? That's basically around what you're asking, basically, on average.
I just hope Hasibullah gets a proper go. I really rate him highly because he stacked
Mm,
runs at under 19 level, at domestic level. I think it's high time that he was given a long run. But वही है, अगर domestic wicketkeeper आप खिलाओगे तो Hasibullah is there. If
mm,
you don't, then Pervez Hussain Imon can be an option. So I hope कि हसीब को एक proper chance मिलता. तैयब ताहिर भी हैं. I think he might get an opportunity. Asif Ali, of course, the old timer, will be in there as a finisher. Ruben Herman, a bit of an unknown quantity. I think you've seen a bit more of him at the SA20.
yeah.
What do you know about him?
Yeah, I think he's a good player. We'll see what happens, right? But like it's at the same time they're flat wickets, so we like the last 2 years of the PSL have had extremely flat wickets. So I'm interested to see how they turn out this year. If I'm not wrong, Sikandar Raza is also part of the LQ squad,
Of
right? Or
course.
yes. So like that's always he had a fantastic World T20 in similar conditions. So like
Hmm.
you would presume that will really act as a act like him at 5 like 5 and 6 will help a lot over there.
Yeah, I think Fizz, Sams, then you have, of course, Sikandar Raza, and likely Herman will be the four overseas players in their playing 11. So
Mm,
it's not bad. Daniel Sams भी हमने देखा है, functional all-rounder है, हिट्टे मार लेता है, थोड़ी सी bowling दे देता है. So I think on paper, Lahore Qalandars look relatively okay. I wasn't sure when they signed Dasun Shanaka in the first place, but he played really well
mm,
at the World Cup, and of course he's defected, so it doesn't really matter. Karachi Kings, I think that is one side that has done really, really well in the auction. David Warner, Hassan Ali, Abbas Afridi, Khushdil Shah, Moeen Ali, Azam Khan, Salman Ali, Aga Shahid Aziz, and you have Adam Zampa as well. Plus, you've picked up a couple of UAE lads in Mohammad Wasim, the star opener and T20 captain of the UAE. He's a great player. Riza Hendricks has come in as a replacement as well. Ehsanullah bhi unke paas hai. So I really, really like the making of this KK squad, and I think they'll go deep in the tourney this season.
yeah. So if it isn't obvious, I am a Karachi born and bred man. So no matter what happens, I will be supporting the Kings. So like this is actually shockingly a very good squad. I think they've been like I
Very good team, yaar. I was
uh,
really impressed with this.
yeah, I've thought Karachi Kings, but even though we've won a tournament, I think we've been one of the lesser run franchises of the last decade or so, of the
Yeah,
first
that's an
decade.
understatement.
Hey, we got a trophy. That's all that matters. We got one trophy at least, right? Um, So we'll see what we'll see. Like Hendricks Warner as your opening partnership seems very dangerous, especially if it is a if they're going to be flat wickets, right? Because like फिर तो we'll see what's
वो तो
happening.
होंगी होंगी, आपको पता है सीमेंट विकेटें
हाँ
होंगी।
हाँ. Yeah, and then you have just if Khushal Shah can like tap into his form of a year or two ago,
मिडिल
then
ऑर्डर देखो आप यार, मोइन अली,
Moeen,
आजम खान, खुशदिल शाह, दैट इज फिरोशियस, और आगा एज अ स्टेबलाइजर एट नंबर 3, दैट्स अ डैम गुड टीम मैन।
that's a very good team, and Hamari bowling, like your bowling is also good over there as well. So like you also have Abbas Afridi, yeah. You also have
अब्बास अफरीदी है, हसन अली है, और आपके
Bas,
पास जैम्पा है यार।
yeah, you no. Aside from that, your batting lineup is long. Abbas Afridi भी है,
हम्म।
Hassan Ali भी है. Like them at like 8 and 9 is not is not a bad thing altogether at all.
मे बी मिडिल ऑर्डर में ऑलराउंडर कौन है इनके पास, वो मैं देख रहा हूँ, शायद वो थोड़ी सी कमी हो। एक जेन्युइन नंबर
Unless
7 नंबर 8 नहीं है मे बी।
unless Khushal Shah is bowling as well, वो हो सकता है.
बॉलिंग तो वो देगा, लेकिन हाँ,
हाँ
नंबर 7 इज ओके आई गेस, ऑन पेपर
हाँ
इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम।
हाँ.
डेविड वार्नर एज कैप्टन, ऑफ कोर्स दैट विल बी एन इंस्पिरेशनल लीडर एज वेल, सो आई थिंक दे हैव डन रियली वेल एंड शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेंडर्स यार, टू बी
Yeah,
क्वाइट ऑनेस्ट।
yeah, and just like the man loves playing in Pakistan. So I hope.
दैट्स ट्रू।
Yeah, yeah, I do still have a problem with them blowing that much money on Moeen Ali. Magar, we'll see what we'll
यार
see.
वो ठीक है ना, ऑफ स्पिन देगा, लेफ्ट हैंडर्स के लिए हिटिंग देगा, ठीक है यार, क्या नुकसान है। Let's
Okay.
take a look at Islamabad United. Shadab Khan, Salman Ishad, Andreas Gauss, the American wicketkeeper, top order batter.
Hmm.
Devon Conway, Fahim Ashraf, Mehran Mumtaz, good pickup, local lad. Max Bryant, Mark Chapman, of course, the Kiwi middle order. Oh, he loves to play in Pakistan as well. Samir Minhas, they've taken a punt on the under 19 lad. Sameen Gul, Heather Ali, Richard Gleeson, the English seamer, Mohammad Hasnain, the Pander Singh Adi. You've got Salman Mirza, who was the big trade
Hmm.
they made, in fact, and Nisar Ahmed. तो इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड वही टिपिकल यूनाइटेड टीम है, वेरी ऑलराउंडर हैवी, लेकिन वो चस नहीं आ रही, वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है, टू बी क्वाइट ऑनेस्ट।
They've always been they've always understood. Bhai, we batting, just put all your overseas picks into your batting. We'll handle the bowling.
हम्म।
ठीक है, so like Gauss and Bryant in that top order.
कॉनवे।
Conway as well
हम्म।
is a very strong order, and you also have like Chapman as well if you need to play him as well. But I don't really rate
चैपमैन इज
him.
गुड, चैपमैन इज
Uh,
गुड।
huh. You have
मतलब
that, and
चैपमैन, हैदर अली, शदाब, ये आपका मिडिल ऑर्डर है, मतलब इट्स अ वेरी कोलैप्सिबल मिडिल ऑर्डर, टू
no,
बी
it's a
क्वाइट
very
ऑनेस्ट।
collapsible. But you also have Imad there as well. Magar Imad has not been doing.
वो एडी भी है, वो जो नेपालीज ऑलराउंडर है नंबर 4 पे, वो भी ठीक है, नॉट बैड, ही डिड वेल इन द वर्ल्ड कप, सो इट्स
Yeah.
ओके, ठीक है। इनकी
Uh,
बॉलिंग मुझे मजेदार नहीं लग रही। समीन गुल, ग्लीसन, हसनैन, सलमान मिर्जा पे बहुत प्रेशर है, और
uh,
डेफिनेटली शदाब पे भी होगा। फहीम अशरफ इज देयर फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस, सो इट जस्ट वही है, डेटा हैवी टाइप टीम लग रही है इनकी।
it's a data heavy
मेहरान
time.
मुमताज एज अ स्पिनर।
Yeah. Like yeah, I do think no, I do like Hasnan on these type of wickets will be a if they do play him, right? A problem to hoega because he is extreme high pace hai uska, and then like if they're flat wickets and he's a bit out of control at times, so like he could travel a lot. So and like that gives them an edge. I do want them to play Hasnan because that extra pace, no matter what type of format it is still a deterrent to a lot of people.
इनकी 4 ओवरसीज कौन नजर आ रहे हैं? एंड्रियस गाउस, डेवन कॉनवे,
Okay.
देन यू गॉट चैपमैन मे बी, एंड
And
ग्लीसन, मतलब
Bryant.
अब 4 खिलाने हैं ना, तो 4 कौन से होंगे?
हाँ तो गाउस, ब्रायंट, चैपमैन एंड
कॉनवे।
कॉनवे टॉप ऑर्डर
कॉनवे
आप.
में आई थिंक उन्होंने ठीक ठाक पैसे लगाए हैं,
हाँ, so they गोइंग टू प्ले कॉनवे, या.
यानी बेसिकली सारे देसी बॉलर होंगे और बैटिंग पूरी ओवरसीज होगी, समथिंग लाइक
So
दैट।
yeah, so exactly what Islamabad United have been doing for the last decade.
डजंट फील ग्रेट, इट्स जस्ट ओके, थोड़ा सा अनकंफर्टेबल हूँ मैं इस
हाँ
मिडिल ऑर्डर के साथ। टॉप ऑर्डर ठीक है, मिडिल ऑर्डर is iffy और bowling तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा iffy है. If Mirza doesn't really step up, फिर हसनैन पे अगर आप depend कर रहे हो, शादाब पे कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
Samin Gul is not a decent, not a bad pickup. Of course,
Hmm.
he's not achieved what he should have, but he is an PSL winner in the past with your KK side, so not bad. Mehran Mumtaz would be interesting to see how they use him. I think he's a bright lad with plenty of.
Yeah.
मतलब he's a very typical United player. के he puts it all together. He's not excelling in one department, but the overall package अच्छा है.
Yeah, or maybe we should also need to see is like how does Heather Ali perform, because like the thing is Heather
वो
is
तो
a
अब
वो तो like we've all like listen, the thing with Heather is like we all
he
agree
won
that
them one PSL. That's all. They can never complain after that. He won them
yeah,
one PSL.
yeah, so like he like if he just finds consistency, that's the thing, right? Like Heather
वो
is
अब क्या फायदा है यार इन सब
क्या क्या
बातों
करे.
का.
या देखते हैं क्या होता है. Okay.
Chalo, let's take a look at the Kingsmen. You've got Marnus Labuskakhne as the captain. Usman Khan, wicketkeeper batter of the Pakistan, is very good. Saim Ayub 14 crore उसके लिए दिए. Glenn Maxwell is apparently going to be available in the second half of the tournament.
Hmm.
Akif Javed, Maaz Sadakat, who had a very good tour of Bangladesh. Then you've got Muhammad Ali, Kusal Pereira, Irfan Khan Niazi, Hassan Khan, left arm spinner, Shayan Jahangir, the American wicketkeeper opener batter, Hamad Azam. There was a rumor he might even be the captain, but of course that did not transpire. Hunain Shah, Riley Meredith, Sharjeel Khan, which is basically a nostalgia pick. What
Hmm.
is Sharjeel Khan going to offer you in this tournament? Saad Ali and Mahesh Theeksan apparently is coming in as a replacement signing. So Kingsman, pardon me, are an interesting team. Interesting, I would say.
Yeah, they so let's see. Like they're probably going to have a very young opening partnership with Ayub and Sadakat probably. So that will be interesting to watch. Let's and see, because like on paper,
Marner said three. Honestly, they should open with Usman, to be very honest.
Usman Usman से अच्छा तो what would you do? Would
पावर
you
प्ले स्पेशलिस्ट तो वो है ना, उसने नाम ही उधर बनाया था.
हाँ तो what do you do then? You put Usman to open and then you move. Who do you move down? Sadakat or
माज 3 पे खेल ले या 4 पे खेल ले, मार्नस 3 पे खेल ले.
you need to put Marnus needs to play at three. I think for the stabilization for them,
हम्म.
Marnus needs to play at three
हम्म.
for if I'm with
कुसाल
them.
परेरा भी ऑप्शन है इनके पास. इट जस्ट
हाँ
फील्स लाइक अ वेरी टॉप ऑर्डर हेवी साइड मिडिल ऑर्डर.
हाँ
जेन्युइन मिडिल ऑर्डर कम है इनके पास.
हाँ. I like their bowling though. I like they have Riley Meredith who is their overseas bowler, and like I like. So the thing is, he was getting hit. He was getting hit in the World Cup as well, and like, but I've always liked him as a bowler, right? Because he has pace.
कौन?
He has Riley Meredith.
रायली था वर्ल्ड कप में. वो दूसरा था, वो कोई और था, रायली नहीं था. रायली हैज
Meredith.
पेस दो, यू आर राइट.
Yeah, Riley has pace, and I've always liked him as a bowler because he can. He is somewhat accurate. He has a
They
very.
have Akif, they have Riley, they have Hunain Shah, and
Hmm.
in spin they have Hassan, of course, left arm orthodox.
Yeah.
और कौन है इनके पास स्पिन में? तीक्ष्ण आएगा स्पिन ऑप्शन.
Maxwell भी करा देगा maybe एक दो over.
मैक्सवेल भी डाल देगा ओकेजनल. यस,
हाँ.
आकिफ है, आकिफ जावेद, दैट्स गुड. हाँ.
And then you also have Saim भी है.
हाँ, साइम अयूब भी है, बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हो.
You have
तो
Saim as
आई थिंक दिस इज लाइक वही सम ऑफ ऑल पार्ट्स काइंड ऑफ टीम है. इरफान खान नियाजी भी हैं
हाँ.
एज अ फिनिशर, तो इट्स नॉट बैड, इट्स ओके.
I like the team. I'm just very excited to see how like I want to eventually see Saim Ayub and Ma Sadakat batting together and see how that looks,
आई
right?
बिलीव ओपनिंग मैच हमारा और इनका है ना, कि लाहौर का और किंग्समैन का है. सो इट्स अ
Wo-
गुड, इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी हाउ
It'll be
इट
interesting match.
ट्रांसपायर्स.
It'll be an interesting match because like you both have decent, very good bowling lineups. So like I'll be fun to watch.
So
Like
top four, what does that make sense for them? Osman, then you have Saim opening with Usman, Marnus at 3, you get Maz at 4, then you've
back.
got Kusal Pereira maybe at 5, then Irfan Khan Niazi, and then the
No, but then
all-rounders.
you have to fit in Maxwell eventually as well, right? So then उनका best 11 you would probably move Irfan Khan to 5, Maxwell at 6,
Hmm.
and then Hassan Khan.
ओवरसीज कौन होंगे इनके? रायली, रायली होगा, तीक्सना होगा, मार्नस ऑफ कोर्स होगा, और मैक्सवेल. तो थोड़ा सा बैलेंसिंग एक्ट होगा इनका
हाँ
कुसाल परेरा और इन सब के साथ.
हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ, because Pereira, nahi, Usman is there, so the wicketkeeper problem तो नहीं है. They can play Kusal or him, दोनों wicketkeeper बन सकते हैं, तो problem नहीं होएगा.
Let's take a look at Sialkot Stallions, aka Multan Sultans,
Sultan.
aka पता नहीं कितनी बार ये change हुई है. They've got Ashton Turner as captain, a Big Bash winner with Perth Scorchers as captain. What do you make of that move?
So the thing is, I have a great affinity of and love for Ashton Turner because I've been following his, because he had a very difficult, he was supposed to be the Australia like
Yeah, he was
stalwart
supposed
middle.
to be the guy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He was
Yeah.
supposed to be their Hassi of this generation, essentially.
Mm, true.
He was really supposed to be their Hassi for this generation. Magar injuries hit him and he only got to play a somewhat amount of games. I still remember, like, one of the best ODI finisher innings I have ever seen is
Mm.
him versus India in the 2019 ODI series in India. And
I
he
remember that match.
it was he was so good. He was hitting the pace bowlers over their head straight down the ground with proper cricketing shots. Like
He was
I
supposed to be Tim David before Tim David, basically.
Yes, yeah, and like
Kind of. Plus, he could proper bat.
and he could also he also had he had an arm, man. Like he was able to turn over he was able to turn the ball really well. So like well, see, so no, you will have Smith. It's a very
Steve
Australian.
Smith, Mohammad Nawaz, Saibzada Farhan, Mohammad Wasim Jr., Peter Siddle, Tabrez Shamsi. Then you've got a few unknowns in Lachlan Shaw and Delano Potgieter. I haven't seen a lot of those two guys. But Josh Philippi, of course, the wicketkeeper, very Australian feel to the side. Then you've got Shan Masood, Mohammad Shahzad, Arshad Iqbal, Faisal Akram, Arafat Minhas. ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि कितने लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर्स इनको चाहिए. मोहम्मद इमरान रंधावा तो on paper their bowling backup options is very very poor. You've got Siddle, you've got Wasim Jr., you've got Tabrez, and you've got Arshad Iqbal and Mohammad Nawaz. So their bowling looks massive,
Yeah,
looks quite good, in
they're a
my
very
honest opinion.
they're a very top heavy squad. They're a very top heavy squad. So if there's an injury or if someone goes home early, which could happen, you never know about like what's happening in the world, like in the world today, especially just like with our neighbors. Like you don't know what situation could arise, and like maybe some of the Australian players leave quickly, right? And so like
Mm.
they're a very top heavy squad. So if there's an injury to Smith or Turner or anyone like that, तो problem हो सकता है बहुत इनका.
Depth का बहुत बड़ा मसला है इनका. Let's take a look at Zalmi. Of course, Babar Azam will be leading the side. Sufyan Mukim, Abdul Samad, Ali Raza, Aaron Hardy, Amir Jamal, Khurram Shehzad, Mohammad Haris. They've retained a lot of ex-players. Khalid Usman, Abdul Subhan, of course, the under-19 speedster. Good to see him getting a gig in the PSL. James Vince, Michael Bracewell, Kusal Mendes, Iftikhar Ahmed, Naheed Rana, Mirza Tahir, ex-Kalandar. You've got Shahnawaz Dahani, Farhan Yusuf, under-19 captain.
Hmm.
Shoriful Islam, Tanzid Hassan Tamim, Brian Bennett. तो यार Zalmi, they
They're
look
they're
pretty decent.
very
I don't know
solid,
what kind
very
of team
solid team.
they will have, but नाम सारे ठीक हैं यार. नाम सारे अच्छे हैं.
Yeah, the only thing I could see with them is that if they're opening with Babar and Vince, is that power play might not be utilized to the best extent.
Maybe you can open with Haris and Babar, then Vinci at 3. That makes sense to me as well.
Yeah, or would you rather have Babar in the power play, or would you rather him at 3? Because I would much
I
rather.
think he has to. That's his best utility. है कि one down क्या खिलाने का फायदा उसका.
Uh, because the thing is,
क्योंकि इनकी
Vince.
बैटिंग मिडिल ऑर्डर ये क्या मिडिल ऑर्डर है. इफ्तिखार, ब्रेसवेल, कुसाल मेंडिस,
Yeah,
मतलब कोई सर पैर नहीं है इस मिडिल
you're
ऑर्डर
putting
का.
a lot on Samad's young head, man.
The
Like
finisher.
like you're putting a lot on his plate. Magar
Plus they signed the two. They signed Tanzeed and Brian Bennett. That's
yeah.
another. What the similar players. मतलब Bennett तो है ही बाबर आजम types. Low strike rate but the bats
Uh,
deep. तो चलो he's a bench option. इतना शायद नहीं खेलेगा. Mirza Tahir big might get an occasional game. Iftikhar Ahmed is still kicking around. Michael Bracewell is in there. But bowling में इनके
the
पास
bowling बहुत light लग रही है.
मतलब Amir Jamal goes for runs. Aaron Hardy, I've never rated him. I don't know why they made such hype about signing him. But चलो एक all-rounder, true all-rounder है, hitter type. But Zalmi is interesting. I don't know what इनकी playing 11 वाजे तौर पर मुझे clear नहीं नजर आ रहा, लेकिन they have options. That is for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Okay.
Let's look at QG. Saud Shakil as captain. Abrar Ahmed, Hassan Nawaz, Usman Tariq, Shamil Hussain, Riley Rousseau, Jahan Dad Khan, Khwaja Nafe. The batting is young and exciting. That is for sure for QG. Plus, you have
Yeah,
the experience of Riley.
yeah. You like Ben McDermott. I really like Russo in that middle order helps so much, and has always helped so much for
Of
them.
course, man. He's like PSL legend, no doubt.
No, not just PSL legend. Like he is a genuine T20 legend. Like he is,
नहीं
he.
वो तो वो है लेकिन हमारे लिए तो बहुत बड़ा प्लेयर है ना.
हाँ. Although I completely agree, but like this is a very fun lineup, man. This is like all my this is what I like. This is like my type of thing. But I'm just like, hey, सारे बच्चे खेल लो. दिखाओ अब क्या
I think
like
they did well to trade for Ahmed Daniel and Alzari. They brought in
yeah,
as well to
yeah,
replace Spencer. Alzari is a good signing. Tom Curran, Ben McDermott, Bevan Jacobs, highly rated Kiwi South African type finisher. He could be the next Tim David if he really clicks.
yeah.
But Wasim Akram Jr., Khan Zabe, they don't. Once again, a team that doesn't have a lot of bench options, so top heavy indeed.
Yeah, but they also but like their bowling, their at least their starting lineup, right?
बहुत spin heavy हैं ये लोग.
बहुत spin heavy. है, you also have Abrar there. Like Abrar is like he's
अबरार उस्मान जहानदाद अहमद दानियाल अल्जारी जोसेफ
Tom
और कौन इनको
Tom Curran.
और टॉम करन मतलब आउटराइट स्पीडस्टर एक ही है अहमद दानियाल की भी पेस ठीक है सो इट्स नॉट बैड इट्स ओके
Yeah, it's
इट
doable.
फील्स लाइक एनालिटिक्स हैवी टाइप बॉलिंग अटैक कि
Yes,
पेस
it's a
ठीक
very
है.
analytics type heavy because they're basically Islamabad United 2.0 for the last couple of years because they've
या
been and I think I do like this team much more than Islamabad's right now because I just think
ओपनिंग में फायर पावर नहीं है यार उनके पास अगर सऊद ओपन करेगा तो उसके साथ अच्छा
uh
बेन मैकडेर्मट ठीक है लेकिन
yeah, I think maybe not
ऐसे कोई तबाही ओपनर नहीं
it
है.
won't
शामिल से तो क्या ही उम्मीद लगाएं.
maybe you send Nafe at 3.
Yeah,
You
Nafi
maybe
can open as well. Yeah.
you can put instead of him being a finisher, you put him at 3, or you open with him in South, and you have McDermott at
Ani, they signed Bevan for that finisher role, so I think, yeah, that makes sense.
yeah.
I don't know much about Brett Hampton and Sam Harper. ये दोनों कौन है?
Sam Harper, वो तो he's the spinning all rounder if I'm not wrong, यार भाई.
Spin all-rounder है.
मुझे लगता है भूल गया हूँ मैं.
Wicket keeper भी है apparently. Top order bat. What's his career strike rate? कोई
All I'll
खास
say,
इतना कुछ नजर नहीं आ
all
रहा.
I'll say is that like this pick was not made by the current management from what I heard from the grapevine. This was one
तो
of
फिर
the
किसने पिक किया?
आपका मल्टीपल ओनर्स जो थे उस मुल्तान सुल्तान स्लैश सियालकोट के.
Okay, let's talk about Rawalpindi's then, the final team.
या let's हाँ ठीक है हाँ रावलपिंडी
So
let's go.
Mohammad Rizwan as captain, wicketkeeper Sam Billings, quality player, Naseem Shah, Rishad Hussain, Daryl Mitchell, Muhammad Amir. Then you've got Abdullah Fazal, the left-hander from Karachi. Ahmad Butt getting a gig as well. Laurie Evans is still kicking around, hard-hitting Englishman. Kamran Ghulam is in terrific form as we saw. Then you've got Fawad Ali, Mohammad Amir Khan, Asif Afridi, Saad Masood and Jalad Khan. तो obvious वाज़े तौर पे नजर आ रहा है कि इनकी बैटिंग बहुत स्ट्रांग है लेकिन बॉलिंग काफी वीक है. If you've only got Amir and Naseem Shah, who else have you got? Ahmad Butt. मतलब
नहीं
बॉलिंग में आसिफ आफरीदी हैं.
फवाद खान भी है नहीं फवाद अली है मगर वो नहीं है.
फवाद
आसिफ
अली कौन है? I can't remember him.
या कौन था. I remember.
फवाद अली played for Peshawar. He's 40 years old apparently. फवाद ये कोई और फवाद अली होगा फिर.
हाँ
आसिफ आफरीदी है ठीक है थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन लेकिन बॉलिंग पे आई थिंक इनको एक रिशाद हुसैन they're
yeah
depending a lot on him the
yeah
leggy.
but Amir and Naseem together is a very deadly death bowling combo. Like that'd be very
मिडिल ओवर्स कौन कराएगा?
that's the problem. Hey, Mitchell.
वरना बैटिंग तो ठीक है रिजवान यासिर बिलिंग्स डैरिल मिचेल बैटिंग तो सॉलिड है इनका टॉप पे.
हाँ
कामरान गुलाम भी अच्छे फॉर्म में.
Uh, I think it might be a
साद
situation.
मसूद साद मसूद है ना इन्होंने वो
Uh,
मिस्ट्री स्पिन वो टाइप
uh,
मतलब इसने अभी तक he hasn't really impressed me to be honest
no,
but
no,
let's
he's
see
a
if he gets an opportunity.
let's see what happens. We a lot of these teams that we have talked about, we will not. We talk about them a lot, but as we've seen in the PSL multiple times, the best laid plans do not usually work out because there's been multiple times where I have thought teams were going to be terrible and they end up winning the title, and there've been multiple times I thought,
एक मिनट टाइटल तो हम ही जीतते हैं तो हाउ कुड वी बी टेरेबल वी हैव ऑलवेज बीन स्टैक्ड
no, I'm talking about previous editions, भाई.
और कौन जीता है
हाँ ये शुरू करना है. Well, that 2020 Karachi team on paper wasn't that great that we won.
हाँ इट वाजंट दैट ग्रेट बट ठीक हाँ उनका
हाँ
केमिस्ट्री अच्छी थी उनकी
हाँ केमिस्ट्री अच्छी थी उनका
अच्छा
on.
मुझे ये बताओ ये जो इन्होंने टू ग्रुप्स डिवाइड कर दिए हैं
हाँ
and of course you'll play your group teams twice and you play the opposing team once तो इसमें टॉप टू how will they decide the top four
yeah, it's just gonna be points I would think, right?
नहीं तो अगर इक्वल हो गए पॉइंट्स फिर
फिर नेट रन रेट आ जाएगा.
that doesn't make sense to me or maybe it's going to be semifinals and final क्या नहीं वो it's going to be still be the playoff
It's
system
a,
right
it's the playoff system, right? So you've got top five, नहीं top four है top five है top four ही है.
which will be played under the page playoff system what is this page playoff system थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा इस पे
हाँ यार. No, but no, you just have the
अच्छा
normal. Well, that's
वही
the
है
same.
क्वालिफायर वन एलिमिनेटर
Qualifier
वन
one,
या
eliminator two, final.
अजीब देखते हैं ये कैसे ये फाइनलाइज करते हैं
We'll see. We'll see. Well,
तो कौन होंगे टॉप फोर अपनी प्रिडिक्शन दो
the four best teams, that I would say, to me at least, is probably Karachi.
ओके
Yeah, the Qalandars,
हम्म
Quetta, and depending if and I actually think Pins is not that bad as well. I call them Pins.
यार आई डोंट नो अबाउट क्वेटास फास्ट बॉलिंग लुक्स वेरी वीक मैन
हाँ मगर उनकी but like I like
मतलब
the
अलजारी दानियाल टॉम करन मतलब
hmm,
ये आपके फास्ट बॉलर हैं
uh, no, we'll see. Well, they not you don't have to be a perfect team to get to the
परफेक्ट तो कोई भी टीम नहीं होती लेकिन
हाँ
कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना बॉलिंग में
हाँ बॉलिंग वो well स्पिन बॉलिंग तो उनकी बहुत अच्छी है तो देखते हैं क्या होता है because they still in my opinion have the best the best
हाँ
T20
टू बी फेयर दे मेड लास्ट ईयर्स फाइनल so you know they
yeah.
deserve that credit as well
And they also have a very like exciting batting line. Like it's gonna be a very it's gonna they if they I will always be a proponent of using youth and like it'll be fun watching Nafe and Hassan Nawaz batting together.
एक तो ये यूज तो who is going to be the flop of the tournament
Flop of the tournament. तुम तो सही में यू भी बोलोगे और बोलोगे वो तो फ्लॉप ही नहीं
नहीं
होता
नहीं
है.
आई मीन इन टर्म्स ऑफ टीम्स
I think Islamabad.
यार पिंडीज की बैटिंग तो मुझे अच्छी लग रही है बॉलिंग बहुत
Hmm.
वेस्ट लग रही है दे
I
नीडेड अ फ्रंट लाइन प्रॉपर फास्ट बॉलर
yeah yeah I think
नसीम के अलावा चलो
uh,
नसीम आमिर
uh,
नॉट बैड
yeah I that's what I'm saying like they have a good Islamabad looks like a team that could collapse because I just don't, they're just not, their batting does not excite me as much, that much anymore, and
हाँ
their bowling isn't something great, right? So मुझे लगता है, like, I think Islamabad might be,
मिर्जा हसनैन ग्लीसन समीन गुल इट्स ओके फहीम अशरफ इट्स ओके
it's okay, but like the batting भी ठीक है, it's not fantastic, right? So that's my main problem.
बट द थिंग इज दीस गाइस इन पिचों पे स्कोर कर ही जाते हैं ना ये कॉनवे और
हाँ.
ये गाउस और ये चैपन
No,
और ये
but
सारे
that's why you need better. That's why you want bowling teams in this type of environment, right? Well, like batting तो चल जाएगी,
हम्म
batting तो चल
ऑन
जाएगी.
पेपर किंग्समैन शुड बी गुड मैन किंग्समैन शुड बी गुड
Kingsman should be good. They have
Hmm.
a very solid batting lineup and उनकी
ऑप्शंस
bowling.
हैं हर तरफ इनके पास, ऑप्शंस
हाँ
हैं, दैट्स व्हाट आई
हाँ
लाइक अबाउट देयर थिंग.
हाँ.
इट्स
Some
सर्टनली गोइंग टू बी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. मुल्तान सुल्तान थोड़ी यार वेस्ट लग रही है.
हाँ. No,
किस्मत है लेकिन कैरी कर जाए इनको.
uh, he's in great nick. Like he's in great
साहबजादा
nick.
को तो हम जिक्र करना भूल ही गए यार,
हाँ.
साहबजादा भी है यार.
Yeah, top run scorer in the history of the T20 World Cup.
Well, remember that fake AI slop going around? Ke he's making a documentary. Is that true or that was fake? That
No,
was fake, I believe.
no, documentary नहीं, book लिख रहा
बुक लिख रहा है मतलब.
है.
Definitely फिर तो AI slop ही है. So
No,
this
no,
is certainly going to be an interesting PSL because all the teams have flaws, all the teams have strengths. It's difficult to pick out a clear favorite.
yeah, and let's be very honest, the teams might look very different at the end of the tournament than they are right now because of the geopolitical tensions around us right now as well, which is
Plus these IPL defections have been. कौन गया है? दासुन के अलावा कौन कौन गया है उधर?
दासुन
ब्लेसिंग
गया.
गया है, वो तो पहले ही रिप्लेसमेंट था.
ब्लेसिंग गया था. um, who else?
दासुन गया था. लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे एक दफा कारवां चल पड़े ना पीएसएल के, डजंट मैटर, नोबडी केयर्स
No, when
कौन है कौन नहीं है.
when it starts, फिर तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होएगा, फिर तो कुछ नहीं होएगा. Then like everyone's
एग्जैक्टली, आई थिंक
then
पीपल क्रिब अबाउट इट फॉर नथिंग मैन, हु केयर्स.
yeah.
टीम्स की आइडेंटिटीज बन गई, ब्रांड्स बन गए, फैन बेस बन गए हैं. पीपल डोंट केयर कि कौन खेल रहा है कौन नहीं खेल रहा.
Hmm. So who's your official prediction of winner?
ऑफ कोर्स,
Uh,
न्यू एरा,
uh,
थिंग्स डोंट चेंज.
uh.
But I think for the sake of the competition and a new franchise winning it would perhaps be,
Yeah,
what the PCB is hoping.
your dark horse I think is Kingsman. I do
Yeah, Kingsman और Pindies.
no, but
अगर
like,
रिजवान और ये टॉप ऑर्डर चलता रहा ना रेगुलरली, आई थिंक ये लोग जीत सकते हैं.
हाँ. नहीं मगर Kingsman
कराची तो डेफिनेटली बहुत स्ट्रांग लग रही है, नो डाउट.
finally I finally have a good team.
करेंगे कुछ नहीं
I
लेकिन
finally
स्ट्रांग लग रही है.
let me at least be excited for my team before the tournament
यू कैन
starts.
जस्ट सी कि जल्मी ऑन पेपर इनसे फील्डिंग तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होनी. इसकी कोई फील्डर नहीं है इस टीम में, कोई भी नहीं है यार.
नहीं sir,
टेरिबल.
they have Babar Azam. They have best नहीं Babar Azam.
To be fair, Babar was outstanding in the field
Like,
in the
Babar was a
IPL 20.
great fielder. Was a great fielder in that
He
World
was
Cup.
very good.
Yeah.
लेकिन ब्रेसवेल, विंस, इफ्तिखार, अली रजा, अब्दुल समद, कौन करेगा फील्डिंग इस टीम में यार? कोई करने वाला है ही नहीं, लिटरली कोई नहीं है.
Who's gonna be the worst wicket
अमेजिंग.
keeper? Who's gonna be the worst wicket keeper this tournament?
कौन
Us-
है आपका क्वेटा में विकेट कीपर कौन है? नजर
so
नहीं आ रहा. ख्वाजा नाफे,
Khwaja Nafir.
बिस्मिल्लाह खान में भी.
Uh, so now for Islamabad United, you'll probably have
वो तो
Gauss.
कॉनवे है.
Gauss होएगा.
ग्राउस भी है, कॉनवे भी है. वो हमेशा विकेट कीपर ओपनर लेते हैं, ये इनका
हाँ,
फार्मूला पक्का है.
वो तो रॉन्ग की मुझे इतना.
कराची का विकेट कीपर कौन है?
कराची का
सात
वेट.
बेग. हाँ.
eh,
हाँ, सात बेग.
कराची
चलो
का
इस बहाने वो खेल जाएगा ना विकेट कीपर.
LQ का कौन है?
हसीबुल्ला है और
अच्छा
वो
हसीबुल्ला, हसीबुल्ला, हाँ समझ
हरमन
गया.
है.
हाँ.
हाँ. वो भी तो
मुल्तान
है, इमोन भी विकेट.
मुल्तान में तो जॉश फिलिप ही है, वो भी ठीक है.
चलो वो इस बहाने खेल लेगा. आई थिंक वी शुड थिंक अबाउट दैट इम्पैक्ट सब रूल नाउ इन पीएसएल एज वेल.
Oh yes, the impacts. I completely forgot about this rule. Yes.
नहीं तो हम वी डोंट प्ले विद दैट.
Yeah. We don't play
वी
with that.
शुड थिंक अबाउट इट.
We should think about it. Like, but like the problem I have with
फिर
the
वो मिड सीजन ट्रेड भी आता है ना, मिड सीजन ट्रेड्स भी आते हैं.
mid-season. No, it's not even that, right? The entire with the impact sub, right? You are one of the things about team selection is you're supposed to be able to read the pitch before the game happens, right? That's an art, like that's one of the arts of captaincy and coaching and cricket, being able to read the pitch and knowing what type of bowlers you have. Being able to swap in and swap out players in the middle of that, it feels very wrong, and it just feels, yeah, bhai, you've already been like messing with cricket so much recently with different types of rules and stuff changes. Like, try to keep the same players the same way at this point. Some way, thoda sa It is a 150-year-old game that is still celebrated. Don't change it too much, in my opinion.
So, who are you predicting then going all the way?
Yeah, bhai,
KK?
Karachi. Karachi.
No, realistically though.
Realistically, I do think it's Karachi. I can obviously see Lahore doing it because I think their bowling lineup actually is strong.
Lahore's balance is flawed teams, sorry,
हाँ सब
which is a good thing.
which is a good thing. It'll be exciting games. It'll be exciting matchups. But best thing to watch is flawed team. Two good flawed
Standout
teams.
player कौन होने वाला है?
तुम मुझे मारोगे.
बोलो.
You know exactly who I'm going to say, and I'm hoping it.
कौन?
यार भाई साइम अयूब कुछ बचा दो मुझे.
यार कुछ कर भी ले पीएसएल में
कुछ
क्या फर्क
इज्जत
पड़ता है?
बचा दे मेरी.
नहीं, I really hope that Ali Raza has a good tournament.
Oh yes, I really like Ali Raza as well.
Take that leap, you know.
Yeah.
बैटिंग में और कौन है यंग एक्साइटिंग? कोई भी नहीं है यार.
नाफे.
Maybe he can make a leap. Let's see. अब वो उसको सही तरह यूज भी तो करे ना.
हाँ, use करे.
No, Saud Shakil तुम्हारा कैप्टन है.
Quetta will use them. No, Quetta will use Nafe properly.
I think losing Fahim Ashraf is a big loss for them. That's a big loss. क्योंकि उसने काफी उनको हेल्प आउट किया था लास्ट ईयर.
We'll see what happens, man. Okay.
चलो, all we hope is for the tournament to be conducted safely and cricket तो हमेशा exciting होती है. वो तो हमेशा मसला नहीं होता. मजा हमेशा आता है.
ये सिर्फ roads नहीं हुए. Please roads नहीं.
Roads ही होंगी भाई, और क्या होंगी?
थोड़ा सा. Do you not see how great this T20 World Cup was until it wasn't, when they started altering the pitches into being roads?
ये भी है. चलो फिर.
चले.
I think we've covered all the bases. Should be good. And kicking off on the 26th, and we're all going to be locked in with PSL action for the next 6 weeks. Should be great.